Watch this. Same screenshot, copied once, pasted into 3 different setups. On one, it lands instantly and Claude starts describing the error in it. On the other 2, nothing happens. No error message, no image, just a blinking cursor pretending everything's fine. And here's the part that actually matters. The setup where it silently fails is the exact one most people watching this are running right now, which means you've probably already hit this and assumed you were doing something wrong. You weren't. This isn't a mistake on your end, and it isn't a bug in Claude Code either. It's a gap between how your terminal handles a paste and how your clipboard actually stores an image. And that gap behaves completely differently depending on whether you're on a Mac, native Windows, or WSL. Fix the gap once, correctly for your actual setup, and you'll never lose another 10 minutes re-screenshotting something that should have worked the first time. Before we get into it, like this so it reaches the people currently stuck on this exact problem. Drop a comment with which of the 3, Mac, Windows, or WSL you're on, and subscribe, because the fix near the end works everywhere, regardless of which one you just commented. I test this kind of thing myself before putting it in a video, so every shortcut and every workaround here has actually been run, not just copied from a changelog. We're going in order: Mac first, then native Windows, then WSL, then the one method that bails you out no matter which of the 3 breaks on you. So stick with the order even if you already know your platform, because the reason it breaks explains the reason the universal fix works. Here's the actual root cause in one sentence, because it explains every fix coming up. A terminal's paste shortcut is built to handle text, and when your clipboard is holding an image instead of text, most terminals either ignore it completely or try to force it into a plain text paste and fail silently, which is exactly what you saw a moment ago. Some setups have a specific workaround for this, some don't, and knowing which category you're in is the entire difference between a paste that works and one that quietly does nothing. Starting with Mac because it's the most reliable of the 3, and also the one where the single most common mistake happens. Take a screenshot straight to your clipboard using Command, Ctrl, Shift, and 4 together, then drag to select the area. Notice that's different from the everyday Command, Shift, 4 shortcut, which saves a file to your desktop instead of copying it to your clipboard, and you specifically don't want a saved file for this method. Switch to your Claude Code terminal, and instead of the paste shortcut you use everywhere else, press Ctrl and V, not Command and V. That distinction is the single biggest reason Mac users think this feature is broken when it isn't. Command V gets captured by the terminal application itself before Claude Code ever sees it, while Ctrl V is the specific combination Claude Code listens for directly. Once it lands, you'll see a small placeholder show up right in your prompt line, confirming the image actually attached, and you can type your question after it before hitting enter. Now, native Windows, which is the setup with the least good news, so let's get straight to what actually works instead of what's supposed to work. Windows plus Shift plus S copies your screenshot to the clipboard the same way the Mac shortcut does, and if you try Ctrl V inside Claude Code expecting the same result, you'll get exactly what you saw in the opening clip. Nothing, silently. This is a known, documented limitation, not a setup mistake, and clipboard image pasting on native Windows terminals isn't reliable at the time of this video. So, skip the clipboard entirely here. Take the screenshot, save it as a file instead of leaving it clipboard only, then either drag that file directly from File Explorer straight into your Claude Code terminal window, or type a short reference to its file path directly in your prompt, something like, describe this error in this exact file, followed by the path. Both of those work consistently on native Windows, where clipboard paste currently doesn't.
Now, WSL, which used to be the worst of the 3 and recently got noticeably better, which is exactly why this video needed an update in the first place. The old problem was the clipboard bridge between Windows and Linux only synced images in one direction and mangled the format along the way. So even when something appeared to paste, Claude Code often couldn't read it correctly. As of a recent Claude Code update, WSL now has its own dedicated shortcut that actually works for this, Alt and V, not Ctrl V and not the Mac shortcut either. If Alt-V doesn't respond for you, the fastest thing to check isn't your clipboard, it's your version. This fix only exists in newer builds, so an outdated install will behave exactly like the old broken version did, and updating is usually the entire fix. If it's still not working after that, the same fallback from the Windows section applies here too. Save the file, then drag and drop it in, or reference its path directly. And here's the mistake that trips up people on every single platform, not just one of the three, so pay attention here even if your platform's shortcut already worked for you. Assuming the terminal app you're using doesn't matter. It does. Several popular terminal emulators handle paste at the application level before Claude Code ever gets a chance to see it, which means the exact same shortcut that works perfectly in one terminal app can fail completely in a different one on the same machine, on the same operating system, with the same clipboard content. If a shortcut that's supposed to work for your platform suddenly stops working after you switch terminal apps, that's not a regression, that's the terminal itself intercepting the paste. And the fix isn't to keep troubleshooting Claude Code, it's to test the same shortcut back in the terminal app it originally worked in. Now, the actual golden method, the one that makes every platform-specific shortcut you just learned optional instead of essential. Drag and drop the image file directly from your desktop, your File Explorer, or your Finder window straight into the open Claude Code terminal. This works identically on Mac, native Windows, and WSL, with no shortcut to remember and no clipboard bridge to fail. Because you're handing Claude Code an actual file instead of asking a fragile clipboard mechanism to carry image data through a text-based paste system that was never built for it in the first place. Combine that with the file path method from earlier, typing the exact location of an image directly into your prompt, and you now have a fallback that works even in a terminal setup you've never used before on a machine you don't own, without installing or configuring anything. Learn the shortcut for your platform because it's faster day to day, but know this method exists because it's the one that never breaks. I test new AI deals every week. If a new free method comes out, you'll see it here first. So here's a real question for the comments, not a rhetorical one. When you first tried pasting an image into Claude Code and it didn't work, what did you assume was actually broken? Your terminal, your clipboard, or Claude Code itself? And if you're still not sure which terminal app you're even running right now while watching this, that's worth asking below too, because the answer changes which fix in this video actually applies to you, and there's a decent chance someone in the comments already knows exactly how to check.